Hey, this is Get to the Point, and today we're going to be resetting the oil change light on this 2016 Toyota Tundra, but it applies to all second gen Tundras from 2007 to 2021. Here's how you do it. Alright, if you're like me and you got the maintenance required light on, the key to resetting maintenance lights on a lot of Toyotas is to press this stalk and cycle through the odometer until it says trip A. It would go B, odo, back to trip A. Make sure it's on trip A, and then turn your key off. Now, with your finger pressed and held on this stalk, turn the key to on, but don't start the truck. Press and hold it for a few seconds. And that's it. So we'll turn the truck back off. Go ahead and start it up like normal. And now the maintenance light is out. This has been Get to the Point. If this video saved you some time and some aggravation, I'd appreciate it if you would hit like or subscribe or leave a comment below. Thank you for your time.